Yo, how's it going, guys? So, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a game kind of like this game. It's a free admin game, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make a free admin game. So, these have been blowing up. We go free admin in games, right? I even made one myself, but you can see there's so many of it, and some people just don't know how to make it for some reason. So I'm gonna show you an entire tutorial, and some of these get like super like a lot of people, but I'm gonna be showing you an entire tutorial on how to make a game exactly like this. Well, not exactly, but honestly, probably a little bit better. Or probably a little bit better because this board doesn't work. Number one, and this map just honestly isn't that good. So you're gonna wanna go ahead over to your create. You're going to create a new game, base plate, create. It's going to create. You're going to click on edit. You can see right here, Felipe all. So basically, once you get into the studio, so while it's loading, you can see this is Admin Island. I actually have talked to this guy before. Um, I'm not going to say how much money he has in his group, but it's above like 500, not 500, 50,000 ish. And he uses, it depends because I asked him that like a while ago. So when you get into studio, you're just going to want to delete the base plate because no one likes the base plate. You're going to go part, cylinder, go ahead, turn your rotate to 10ish just so you can get it. You're going to want it like that and scale it down. So you're going to want it like a little thing, like a little small circle. And so you're just going to want to go over here into the properties. If you don't have it open, go view, toolbox, explorer properties, because that's what I use. And you're just going to want to search size in the properties. I personally, for the base, I like to go 5150. That was not the right way, so no, size. So let's do 5051. No? Okay, it's that one. So size 150, 50, depending on what you're just gonna want it, like kind of like this. But actually, we're gonna have to do bigger, so I'm just gonna go 500, 501. So it's gonna be pretty dang big. And yeah, so now you got a basic spawn, you know. We're actually gonna make it way bigger, cause let's go ahead over here just to test out how big the character is. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna throw this down here. Is collision's not on? No, it is. Okay. Actually, that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and delete that. Turn off this. So you guys don't need that. So just do one for the size. Just do 0.05, 500, 500, or just make it kind of like this. So you're gonna want to anchor it, of course. And I'm not gonna go into too much detail, but I'm gonna duplicate it, which is Control D, and I'm gonna make this size about maybe like 20, 20. So just directly in the middle. I'm gonna change the color of this to that just so I can see this. And I'm just gonna turn on collision so it's gonna go above it. I'm gonna make this a bit bigger, so size 0.5. Yeah, that's good. And this is just the building part, so if you wanna just know the scripting part, then just skip ahead. This is just me building a basic spawn that you're probably gonna want if you want people to play your game. So there we go. Now we got a basic spawn. Go to your toolbox, search up spawn, and Boom, you got yourself a spawn. Make it a bit smaller. Out there, go here, search up position, copy this, go here to the spawn location, search up position, and paste that in. That's gonna center it. And now you're just gonna wanna, oops, gotta turn off collisions. And then duplicate, and I'm just gonna put these as like a little spawn area. I'm gonna put 9 of those. There we go. Now we're gonna want to, actually I'm gonna delete these, oops. You guys don't have to, but I want them to be invisible, so I'm just gonna go here and then delete this decal. There we go. So now let's put that there, and we'll actually make them invisible in a second. But for now, we can do this, and then do can collide, turn that to off, and transparency, transparency, set that to 1. So now if we go ahead, everything's anchored. If we go ahead and play, we have this just basic spawn. You can obviously add whatever you want, but, you know, it's just a basic spawn. So let me disable this. So next we're gonna want to let's just go ahead and add the admin in, because I'll link this in the description. It's called HD admin. Just gonna want to pull it out and delete this thumbnail camera. So if you expand this, just go ahead and delete it. It doesn't matter. But go ahead into settings, and the first thing you're gonna want to do is make a new role. So you're just gonna want to go to the ranks tab. It's like a bit down, and then click right before this, and then press enter. You're just gonna want to make a new rank. So you're gonna do exactly like I do. I'll zoom in for you guys. You're gonna do 6, comma, parentheses, whatever you want. I'm just gonna do developer, but you're gonna obviously wanna, fit it to whatever you want, and then press tab. Oops, what the? Oh, there we go. Tab, and then that. You can go over and then press this button right here, and then go down. Press, actually you can just copy this, paste that, and then paste that. So you're gonna want to fix, yeah, so you're gonna want to do that. This is not like that. Okay, like that. So now you're gonna go into your game and you'll see a little thing. No? Okay, well, oh, because I forgot to do this. There we go. So you're gonna add that little symbol at the end, and now you're gonna have a little HD admin thing right here. It's gonna prompt you saying your rank is owner, and yeah. So if we go ahead, all the commands work. Yeah, we're gonna fix that unless you want that. So all the commands work. So to blacklist commands, like stuff that's not like good and stuff, you're gonna scroll down until you find this thing called set command by name. You're gonna copy this thing right here, this line of code, but not the 2 dashes, and then delete the 2 dashes and the thing, and then paste it. So you're gonna go ahead and get this. So I just recommend setting Disco to developer, which means that no one's gonna be able to use it. And well, you can do whatever commands you want. I'm not gonna get into details, but If we scroll up a bit, you can see the ban land. So if you want to ban someone that you don't like from your game, like I'm gonna just ban let's go PewDiePie. No, no, no. Let's just go the flaming noob or something like that. And yeah, then if your name is the flaming noob, you won't be able to join. So right here it says free admin. If you can't find any of these, by the way, just do Control F and free admin. You'll see. And yeah, so we're gonna go up here to the ranks, and you're just gonna want to change mod to admin, admin to whatever you want, like super admin or something. And these all have to be one word. I don't know if they have to be admin or one word or whatnot, but so owner, admin, I'm just gonna do that. So now two can only use commands at one person at a time, so they can't just spam kill all. They have to go kill player one or kill, and then they have to retype it again, kill player two, which gets repetitive, so they're not gonna do it. Or they're still gonna do it, but yeah, basically. So now if we go ahead, scroll down to here, where is it at? Free admin equals admin. VIP server owners equal admin, and friends equal admin. You can do whatever you want. These names right here just have to match with up here. And so to set groups, you're just going to want to go to your group ID, copy it, and go home. And you're going to scroll down till you see, let's see if I can find it. There it is, groups. And then right here where it says 0, you're just going to paste your group ID in. And this is the rank, so you can find that in the settings. So 255 is probably like the owner of the group, and 254 is probably like an admin in the group, and 1 is like a member of the group. So I'm gonna do 252 or 255 equals owner, and then 1 equals, then delete that. Actually, just delete. Yeah, just delete that. Okay, never mind. Don't delete it. I'm just gonna put that. So if they join the group, they're just gonna get admin. So you don't really get anything special if you join the group. So now we're gonna. I like to blacklist these because they're just super OP. Peristrion, is that how you spell them? Wait, what's that? Uh-oh, that's not good. Uh, Perry, I don't know. Gear, featured gear. Collectible gear, there it is. There it is. So these are super, like, good because they just are. So if we go ahead into our game, we can go ahead and see what we've done so far. If it loads. If we go ahead and type ranks, oh, we haven't set the prefix yet, but you can see the flaming noob. Oh, there's someone actually called that. Yeah, and we have it, so it automatically gives me owner. I don't know why I can't see ranks, but oh, there it is. So owner is set to the group holder, and then admin is set to demon. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and remove that because it may break with what we're about to do. So, oh, stop responding. Uh-oh. Anyway, so we're gonna do a couple things while we're out here. Okay, or not. So, um, let's go to the right here. Just delete this line of code and boom. Now, if we go into the game, you'll see that's if I go ahead and okay, if it loads, if I type, never mind, if I go here, ranks, or not, there we go, so admin, boom. Okay, now, the gear blacklist, so if I go, okay, I should have done this, but if I go ahead and load into the game, and I type, load, gear me, and then the group gear ID, you'll see I get this gear, and it's pretty good. I don't think this one's very good, but you can see it does some pretty good stuff that some games would not like, and there's some of them that can like destroy the entire map, such as the rainbow fall Puristian and stuff like that. um I don't know, but you'll have to find the gears. So to blacklist the gears, you're gonna scroll down until you find gear blacklist right here, and you're gonna paste in the gear. And if you want to add more, you can do comma space and then the gear ID, comma space. And so ignore gear blacklist. Let's just do 6 because just to test this out. But you're most likely gonna use like 5 or something. You can get the numbers by scrolling to the top, and so 6 we have set to developer. So yeah, and we don't have developer set to anything because it's just a rule to keep users from not doing it. Because what we're gonna do is we're gonna start selling the game passes because that's how these games make money. So you'll see if I try to rank or not rank me, gear me, boom, gear has been blacklisted. So boom, you can blacklist whatever gear you want. And yeah, so now we're gonna go to here. If it loads, group creations, not that. Right here, we're gonna create a game pass, store, add pass, choose file. Let's just let's just use this band hammer that I have. So if we go ahead, go to the Game Pass, copy, and then scroll down to see Game Passes right here. It's like literally right under it. So if you paste this, let's just use for example, this would be the owner admin, which is basically owner, except it's can't do some certain commands because it's not like the complete owner, but it's still pretty high up there. But the people don't know that because that's whatever. So ranks, I don't know why it's bugging out like this. So now you can see if a user buys this game pass, then they get owner admin. They're automatically ranked by the admin itself to do that. So what can I show you now? So most games you'll find, if we scroll down, VIP, no. Okay, so let's just worry let's work on the time up. So let's just do time up leaderboard. Time leaderboard by Bad CC. Um, it's not the right one because that doesn't save. But server up leaderboard or server up board. Server time board server. No, seconds up board. Server up in seconds. Oh my gosh, server. Whatever, let's just use this. This server has been running for... I don't recommend this. I'll leave you guys a better one in the description, but I just can't find it right now. So if we go ahead and here, the model link will be in the description for it, though. But it's not going to be this one. It's going to be a better one, but you can see it works. So you're just going to have that there wherever you want. And this game will be completely free to take. So all you'll have to do is change like the game passes, the group IDs, everything that I've showed you. It'll be free to take in the description if you would like. So let's do this. This is the most tedious task of them all. Which is... Well, this is here. Let's just... Is it this one? No, that's... Just search up rainbow name tags. I don't have the model for it, but... Rainbow... Is it this one, or is this the... No, that's for GUI. Main module, code GUI, rainbow. What the? Well... Well, whatever. Let's just worry about this. Okay, or not. So search up chat tags, I think it's called. Alright, I'll just go ahead and get it from my game real quick. Alright, so I've gotten everything real quick. So here's the board instead, because this one's better. So there's a thing called chat. It'll be in the description if I remember. So you'll see here, there's all these like nerdy stuff. So I'm just gonna tell you, this is developer. This will give you a developer tag. This is creator. This will give you a creator tag, owner tag, super admin, blah blah blah, gold, group member. So we scroll down until we find Game Pass ID. So you're going to want to change these out with whatever you put up here. So if a player owns this Game Pass, they'll be granted the developer tag, which I made it because something else wasn't working, so I just decided, you know what, I'm just going to make it so if they have this, and then I bought it for myself, and then I instantly put it off sale. And yeah. So you're just going to want to... Oops. Closed it. Just going to want to change that, and then you could go ahead and change your groups, right? Where is it? Group ID, right here. So, right here. So, group ID, so place whatever group ID your group is from groups right here. So, this is your group ID. you're gonna wanna paste this right here. So set it to 1. What this will do if I go ahead and click play, it will grant me a special tag that says group member. Well, you can't really see it because of all my other tags, but you know. So configurations. If I scroll up, okay, or not. Oh, what's that? Well, configurations. So if I scroll up, you'll see all of these developer. It's kind of confusing how I did it, but you know. So game passes, you're just gonna want to set this so if someone buys the game pass, you're obviously gonna want to give them a tag. Oh, you don't have to, but it's kind of like, more incentive. And so that's that. And let's go Game Pass button. So this is just kind of to give someone a gear. So let's see. Let's go gear, all gear. Actually, we'll just use this. Or no. Well, let's do a new gear. So say we have a gear blacklisted, right? Let's just say we blacklist this fuse bomb, for example. You're gonna want to go here. Search up fuse bomb gear, right here. And this is gonna, boom, you're gonna want to go handle, copy the mesh, and then you can go ahead and delete that and go mesh, paste into, and then delete the top mesh, and now you got like a nice little bomb. So go ahead and that's basically it for that, but we're gonna want to go mesh scripts, and not that one, open script, Game Pass on touch. You're gonna put whatever the Game Pass is here. So this is Game Pass for the sword that you saw earlier. So put that right there. And so we're gonna search up Game Pass Gear Giver, I think is what it's called. Yeah, right here. So tools, it's not the right one. Not the right one. Not the right one. Some probably, or these probably work, but I don't like using these, and so I'm just gonna go get the one from my game. So I got the script right here. It'll be in the description, or you can take a screenshot of this and whatever if I forget. Right here. So I just have it called Fireball Giver because I grabbed a random one. You're gonna put in server script storage. Rename this to whatever. So Fuse Bomb Giver. So now we're gonna take the Fuse Bomb gear because gear this one Fuse Bomb. Put it in server storage. And go into the Game Pass, or go into the Fuse Bomb Giver, or whatever you have it called. Change the Game Pass ID right here to whatever your Game Pass ID is. And go down here to game.serverstorage.fireball. Change this to whatever it's called. So mine's called Fuse Bomb. And go ahead and click play. So once you load it, you'll see you have a fuse bomb, and everything works according to plan. Boom. If they step on this, they get prompted to buy this, which is what it originally was. And the server board works. And basically everything works just as we wanted. So you can go ahead and add like your own GUIs, like I don't know. But yeah, that's basically it. Ooh, I forgot one thing. Or actually, like, two things. Oh, it's not responding. Awesome. How long have I been recording? 31 minutes. Okay, so we'll probably shorten it down in post. So just gonna want to go game settings, avatars, player choice, just because it's annoying. Allow HTTP requests, and That's basically it. So you're gonna do donation board. Um, go here, boards, delete it, and products. So you're just gonna want to change this to whatever your developer product. It has to be a developer product and not a Game Pass because developer products are different. So to make a developer product, you have to go here to your place and configure this place, developer products, and create. So yeah, this will be a donation board that you guys can take if you want. What else? We need. Hmm. Huh. We could. Oh, okay. So this model will be in the description. It's called GUI box. I didn't make it myself, but I kind of did, I guess. But I didn't make the coding myself. So you're gonna want to go to Starter GUI, uh, insert objects. Where is this at? Screen GUI, and put this in Screen GUI. You'll see a little button that says text here. If we do off or size, no, or is it text? Text. Yeah, text. So you're just gonna wanna change the text. Say you're gonna be selling like owner admin. Just put owner admin, and then go to this. Go here. Create. Hold up. I have to go to my game. Let's go. I'm not selling it. Awesome. Um. Oh. Configure game. Sorry. Not configure game. My bad. Configure start place. I get the two mixed up a lot because they're basically the same. So go to your game passes. Why can I not see my game passes? Is it? Oh, sorry, it's right here. Let's see for. I have to go and make it public before I could get this. So let's make it public. Cancel game passes. Boom. Download. Go ahead and copy this. Paste it right there, and you can do whatever you want to that. Um, I use GUI rescaler. It kind of fixes it, so if I do this and I go on, say, iPhone 4, it'll still be there, and it won't like go off screen. It's a pretty useful plugin. I'll leave it in the description as well. Um, but yeah, if we play, you'll see it'll prompt up with the owner admin, hey, buy this. And that's basically all you need. You just need to decorate the map, add a bit more of these. Obviously do this leaderboard properly. And you're basically done. So, the game link, I'll leave it on copy locked so you guys can just take it instead of actually, actually doing it yourself. If you want to, you can redo this. You can add like a top donator. So, this plugin will be in the description as well, but it's pretty useful when you, okay, just not responding, if you want to add like motivation for people to donate. So you're going to want to type their player name. I'm just going to use my own name and click on overrides animation script, and dance 3 is what I prefer. These are the /e dances, edance 1, edance 2, edance 3, and R6 or R15 depending on what avatar they have. Is this locked? Yeah. Um, So you're just gonna, oops, you're just gonna want to put this wherever, and you're gonna go anchor the torso, depending on if you have it in R6 or R15. If R15, then you can go ahead and anchor the humanoid root parts, which is this, right? Yeah, you're gonna want to anchor the humanoid root part because, you know, it's better than anchoring just the torso. Sorry. And if we go ahead, let's play this, you'll see that the top donator, it will completely work. Well, I didn't do the right dance, but, you know, whatever. And so you can remove their humanoids. I'll show you how to do that in a second, but, you know. Let's load map. Load map. You can see we can't push this guy, so yeah, so let's go ahead, remove the humanoids, fix the, here, before I forget, let's go ahead and fix the, okay, let's fix the, the prefix, my bad. So, it should just be prefix in here? No, it's in custom features, right? No. It's somewhere in here. Is it in here? Settings. Prefix, yeah, right here. So change it to whatever you want. So I'm gonna do this. You can do this or this or this or this or whatever, but I'm just gonna have it set to that. So next, let's just remove these. The humanoid, so you're gonna go humanoid, search up health in this, and just quickly set these all to 0 because, you know, boom, 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 health. And so finally, what we're gonna do, we're gonna select all, actually no, we're gonna have to do this manually, but we're gonna click lock and lock every single one of these so that they can't be accessed from inside of the game. Or not, inside of the game, meaning that your game really can't break, or people can't, like, break your game, like, with B-tools and stuff. Where's this part? Oh, so you're just gonna want to lock everything, just because it's pretty helpful. And you'll see if we go into the game, if it decides to load, if we do B-tools, we'll get B-tools, and as you can see, they can't do anything. If we go over here, this works. If we go over here, let that blow up. Okay, well, they still splatter all over the place because it's a bomb, but if I go ahead and do sword, you'll see that they don't take any damage. So, if we step on this over here, it prompts up with the GUI. So if they buy that in the game, they'll have to respawn to get it. And the server has been running for 24 seconds. Basically, everything works. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos, make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below what type of game you want me to do next. And so if you guys want to take this, the link will be in the description below. You can go ahead and take it for free. You just have to edit the stuff to your liking. And if Roblox Studio would start responding, I can go ahead and center this and publish to Roblox. Alright, so see you guys. Goodbye.